Hi everyone! This day, I will be showing you on how to do the hand washing. We will be demonstrating on how to do the hand washing since I don't have the actual sink right now. So I have it here, a sample basin or sink in here and imaginary faucet, okay? Then I have it here, my soap, and then make sure that during the imaginary faucet, it is the up and down switch. It has the up and down switch or the left to right switch. Okay, so I have also here with my clean towel. This is very important. So a clean towel. Afterwards, we will be using that one to dry up our hands. Okay, remember that proper hand washing is very important to sanitize our hands. So remember, before we proceed to work, before we attend to our patients, we must ensure to clean and sanitize ourselves for your safety and for the safety of your patient. Okay, so this hand washing will kill bacteria or remove bacteria or other contaminants from our hands. Okay, so let's proceed. So we have it here, hand washing with soap and water, imaginary. So we have step one, we must on our faucet. We must on our faucet and wet our hands. Okay, after wetting our hands, let's apply the soap. Okay, once you're done applying the soap, rub our hands palm to palm to create bubbles or foam. So we will do that. Then step four, we must rub back of our hands. Okay, rub it. Okay. Then for the step 5, we must rub our palms with interlaced fingers. This is to clean up the dirt areas. The next, we will do this one, rub back of fingers, finger interlocked, and do this. Okay. For the step number 7, rub your thumb. That is how you do it, left and right. For step number 8, you need to rub tips of your fingers in circular motion at the palm. Okay, that one. Next, step number 9 is to rub your wrists. Okay, in this motion, as you can see that. Step number 10, rinse your hands with the water. Remember, there is a running water. Okay, then step number 11, what you need to do is to turn off the faucet using your elbow, like this or like this. Then the last step that we have is to clean or dry up your hands with a disposable towels or a clean towels, as I have it here. Okay, those are the 12 steps in proper hand washing. You know already what is the importance of proper hand washing. Be careful and always assist wrist when you are doing your job. Okay, as part of us hand washing, this is a part when we are doing a careful job and we are showing care to our patients. Always remember that in this industry, in caregiving, we always provide quality care. Okay, thank you so much everyone and have a great day.